Okay guys, we're going to talk about the Wedi shower sealant system today. If you install the 100% waterproof Wedi shower system made out of Germany, you're going to use this gray sealant that you see here running through these little seams. Now this particular shower is not 100% waterproofed yet. I'm in the process of doing it, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the product and how it's done. Now you can get the product in two ways. You can get it in the regular tubes like you see in caulking and silicone. And by the way, do not ever use caulking or silicone in these seams. Wedi gives you a 100% guarantee that it is not going to leak, but you have to install their sealant and you have to install it their way. So that being said, you're going to buy their sealant. You can buy it in a caulk type tube, which you're only going to get, you get a small amount, or you can do like this one here, which is what I always get, which is in the sausage size. This sausage size gives you almost double the amount, and you're going to use the Wedi applicator tool. So you're going to get through the job a whole lot faster. So if you are buying your sealant and you are not buying a complete kit setup, which comes with the smaller tubes, go ahead and get these in the bigger sausage tubes. You'll thank me later. So basically all this stuff does though is every time I put a panel on, I'm going to run a bead of it in between each panel. Put my panel on and put my fasteners on to hold it into place. Then I will come back and you will apply about a 2 to 3 inch span on each side with a special flat trowel all the way around. And you'll do all of your corners and all the way around the base. So after you get that applied, you let it dry and then you can do a water test. So if I was rating their sealant on a scale of 1 to 10, I would have to give it a 10 because it is extremely durable, strong, and easy to apply. Do yourself a favor, if you are putting up a Wedi system, be sure that you are using the Wedi sealant and only the Wedi sealant.